back up and see how the guys are getting on. You know, I bet they just think I'm a complete utter nuisance when I'm trying to get the disco. Well, I was really thinking it was going to be a piece of cake. I thought, oh, he'll have this out and it just makes it all look dead easy.
Yeah.
But I think I've cut some of the video off before that. Close, done.
Keep going, you like an inch.
To make sure it doesn't go anywhere as it goes over the M62. Hairy times with the tyres spinning, you got that old bit of carbon, put it down and the carbon was getting shoved on it. Right, I'm just trying to, before the door shuts, I think they're going to try and secure that room.